Get ready to enter a world of supernatural mysteries, where the inexplicable occurs. Today, here at Mystery Machine, we will explore phenomena of ghostly apparitions that dogs and other animals have been able to witness. Can animals see beyond what we humans can? Witness some cases of sinister shadows and ethereal forms that have manifested and were captured by cameras. This is a selection we've prepared for you. Watch all the videos. At the end, there's an impressive case of a dog and its owner witnessing an inexplicable shadow.
Security footage captured the homeowner's dog looking suspiciously out over their yard. The dog begins to bark as something spooks him. Suddenly, a strange set of disembodied legs runs across the background. The dog appears to be surprised by the sighting and heads inside. Looking more closely, the legs appear small and run at speed.
And it's not a privilege only for dogs. See a bovine being touched by a ghost that appears near the animal.
In this video, we are seeing a Ring camera from inside someone's home. It shows a playful poodle playing with a ball while its owners are away. But as we continue watching, weird things start to unfold. All of a sudden, something seems to catch the dog's interest. He looks it towards the camera as if he's seeing something that's not there. The dog is definitely seeing something because he starts to growl and act erratically.
Now, see that mysterious shadow, which makes the street dogs run away in fear. And when animals fix their gaze on a wall or a corner where there's nothing there, it seems that neither humans nor cameras are able to see what they see. And now a dog trapped in a cage, when suddenly it seems like someone tries to pull it up with so much force that it breaks its collar.
Dogs are ready for bed. It's just a peaceful night here. Here I go to bed myself. What the f is that? What? Oh, God!
These and other cases are showcased here on the Mystery Machine channel. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe.